Mopar Garage. Today I was going to do a quick video and explain how you figure out tire size by the tire and the aspect ratio and rim size. It's pretty easy math. I got it up on my whiteboard. We'll get into that pretty quickly, but I wanted to say thank you for all my new subscribers. As of right now, I'm up to about 268. So I'm halfway there to the No Name Nationals. Please keep sharing my videos and comment, and we'll get into the math of these tire sizes. So without further ado, here we go. Okay, here we are at the whiteboard, and I got tire size times aspect ratio equals Y, and then Y multiplied by 2 equals A, then A divided by 25.4, which is a constant. You'll always use that number. That'll equal B. B plus rim diameter will equal your tire height, no matter if it's a 25-inch tire or a 33-inch tire. This math works for all of them. So today, for an example, I'll be using a 275/60/15, which is a very common tire size, especially in racing. And here I have the numbers plugged in for 275/15. So you take your tire size, your metric tire size of 275, and you multiply it by your aspect ratio, and it's always a decimal. So you'd multiply 275 by 0.60, or 60%, and that gives you 165. So you take the 165 and you multiply it by 2, and that gives you 330. So that gives you the 330 divided by 25.4, and that will equal, so that gives you 12.99 out about 8 places, but we really just need the first 2. And you add that to 15, which is your rim size, and that gives you 27.99, which is a 28-inch tire, which is pretty common on older vehicles. Some trucks and stuff came with 31s, but most cars, older cars, came with your 28-inch tire. That's a pretty standard tire. So there's the simple math, so you can figure out your tire size. Or if you're like me and you're with my Toyota, and it came with 15-inch rims, but I wanted to put 17s on them. But I wanted to make sure that I had the exact same tire size, tire height overall, with going with 17s from a 15. Well, I took the tire size that was on it and multiplied it, figured out it was a 25-inch tire. Then I backtracked, trying to find the right size 17-inch tire that would be a 25-inch tire, and I found that, which was a 245/45/17, which is a 25-inch tire. So that keeps my gear ratio and my speedometer still on like it's factory with the 17-inch rim size. So thank you for watching. In future videos, I'm going to do some tests with the Toyota and show you the difference in tire size. I got some 28-inch tires with rims that will fit on the Toyota. So I'm going to put those on. Well, I'll have the stock tires on, go for a ride, record the RPMs that the engine's doing, and then come back swap tires over with the 28s, go for the same drive, and show you the difference in RPM 3 inches in tire makes, and how far the speedometer is off whenever you do that. But thank you for watching today. It's just a quick video on the math. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the No Name Nationals. And you all have a good day, and I'll see you later.